Hi, we're Group 43, and today we'll be discussing our Sprint 4 deliverable. During this sprint, we realized that we needed to make some significant changes to our application since we had generated our own data rather than importing the UGA colleges and departments data provided. Because of this, our group had to meet several times over the course of the week to work on rebuilding the foundation for our application. We used the Data Import Wizard to successfully import this data, as well as updated our existing objects to better structure around these new data sets. Since the new data import changed the structure of our approval process a bit, we would like to show our updated EL course request form, where users can enter a request for a new course, which initiates the approval process. Under the EL Courses tab, the user can access the input form, select whether they are entering a request for an EL course or EL activity, and then enter in the course information. All fields in the form are required with the exception of status, repeat max credit, co-requisite course ID, and prerequisite course ID. Once we made sure that our approval process was still functioning properly, we added a hold option to allow for department approvers, college approvers, and EL committee approvers to contact the course requester for additional information, changes, or any clarifications needed before the approver may approve or deny their course request. Here you can see that when the approver updates the status of a course request, they have an additional option in the drop-down menu to select hold. Once the requester provides additional information, approvers are notified of a new course request, and the typical stages of the approval process resume with the department first approving, followed by college, and then by EL committee. Next, we created a report on EL courses, which will be approved or denied. Our report contains course ID, course title, credit hours, department, and date of final decisions. The user is able to access this under the Reports tab on the home page. Here you can see the report is grouped by college and subgrouped by status and sorted by decision date. The user has the option to select a college and then view a drill-down report, which shows only courses focused within that specific college. We also created a report that summarizes the average time it takes for departments, colleges, and EL committees to arrive at the approved stage for all EL course requests. The heading of this report contains summaries that describe the average time for departments, colleges, and EL committee across all courses, while the reports show the individual courses subgrouped by college, as well as data describing the average approval times across 3 types of approvers for each specific course. The report will be helpful for users to easily access either a quick summary of the overall average approval times, as well as a drill-down report of approval times, if the user prefers to investigate where specific pain points are for lagging approval times.
Thank you.